Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up eBay shop with AutoDS and how to add products from AutoDS to eBay and how to do all settings. So let's get started on my laptop screen. Right now I am on my laptop screen and I am on AutoDS. So you have to subscribe AutoDS and you need to have a live active eBay shop. This is the shop and now I will connect both of these so we can import products. I will click on add store, then I will select eBay from this and I will click on eBay store, hit continue and then finish. It will ask me to put password. I will put my password here and then it will be save and click on I agree. And now I have connected my, here you can see my eBay shop and name. Now it has my shop and eBay are connected. Now eBay and AutoDS both are connected. Now we have to do setting and this is very important setting for a profit, and now we need to choose our product source. Like us, we need to add our supplier. For eBay right now I will use Amazon and Walmart. I will click on Walmart, United States, add supplier, and after that we need to do some profit setting. Here click on Walmart and then click on pricing. So here we need to add our price. I will put 40% here, and because 30% eBay charge 30% on every sale as well. I will if you want then we can put, if you want, and we can put dynamic profit as well. In the dynamic profit you can set a limit between like a $0 to $15 price, and that will increase like a 40%, like a 25%. I will show you how. $1 to $15 profit will be now I am getting the, here we can add our profit like 30%, and I will add another rule. This is just if you want to put your like I will put here $30 and that will be 32%, and like that we can put our all. I will put here $100, that will be 35%. I will hit save, and that is pricing, that is called pricing rule. Now our shop is like whatever the product AutoDS add, our profit will be added here as well. Now I will add another supplier. I will click on another supplier and I will choose Amazon and United States, and I don't want to do all this thing another time. I will click on copy from another provider. I will choose it is Walmart is already selected because I have created Walmart pricing rule already. I will add supplier and the Walmart pricing rule will be automatically select here. I will show you. Here you can see that it is added 35%. So that's for the pricing rule, and now we will move from, that is for pricing. Now I will show you how to add products from AutoDS to eBay shop. So now to add products I will click. So for the product I will click on marketplace. From here I can If the eBay is from of US or UK, whatever the source country is, that you need to select that country from here. It can be UK as well, and it can be US as well, and I will choose from Amazon. Now it will show me all the Amazon products that are available to add to our eBay shop. So there are lots of products. You can search any kind of like pet related products. You can search any name and that will show product for that. And for now I am just giving you and let's add one of the product. For the product research, you need to that I will make a separate video where we will do product research, how to do product research on eBay, and whatever product you find, you can paste the name of here, you can put name of that, and it AutoDS show all the products that are available on that platform. So right now I am choosing only this product, import and draft. And let's say if you want to add products, you add products from Amazon.com manually, like, or any other website, third party, like it can be any, like let's say if you find products from any other source or any Shopify store, or any person is selling, then I will show you how to add that product manually. Like you don't need to copy and paste all the stuff. I will show you how. Let's say if we want to add this product, I will copy link of that, and I will come to marketplace and add products, and here you can see that single products, and we also can add multiple. I will show you procedure of single product. If you have only one product on another platform, you will click here and it will ask URL of the product. I will paste URL and add as draft. I will click add as draft. It will be added to my draft of okay, so it is still in draft, still in progress, and once it complete, I will show you how to add. I'm going to refresh that. So it's still, I think it is in progress, and it will be available soon. So if you have multiple products, then we can click here multiple products, and you can paste here, upload CSV or multiple links here. You will add one link, and then second and third, and click add as draft. It will be automatically add to draft. There is an important setting of shop. Now here is another important setting of automation. I will click here, add automation. I will put any name. You can put any kind of name here, and number of sales. I will assign later. So here is automation. Now I will show you how to add. So I will come to products, and here it will be added. I will put no thanks, and here you can see that our product has been added to our eBay shop, and I will show you. Here you can see that our product is live. This is the video about how to add all the setting. Now if we get order on our eBay shop, add funds here, then it will be process the order and delivered on. So if you need any kind of help, then you can email me. I will help you as soon as